So this is
Simple. Hi, Earthling. So I have my first snow experience here in South Korea, and I want to show you the first time I made snow angels. Finally, okay, bye.
But first, here is Marcus, helping me getting dressed up properly for a cold, snowy day out.
rubberizing your feet. Good job. That'll help a lot. Run your slickers. Slickers, rubbers, what do they call it?
Condom.
Shoe condom. There you go, waterproof feet. You're hot. You got on 3 layers of pants. You got snow pants on.
I got snow pants and I got thermal. I got thermal inside.
Maybe you just want the lighter jacket then.
Huh?
Just the lighter jacket. What is this for?
Sleeves.
For what?
On my foot.
It's gonna absorb all the moisture.
No.
Oh. I have snow gloves. If I can find them.
Where's my gloves?
What's that?
You have gloves.
Snow gloves.
Not snow.
I have snow gloves. If I can find them. What do you got? Want a hat? Wow.
Where's the one you got me?
Two look good. Oh, you're a kitten hat? There's some kitten gloves.
Can't reach.
What do you put? What are you putting those on to? Sometimes I store my gloves in my pockets. Oh, guess I don't have any more snow gloves. You have a look. Freeze. Do that on the way. You can do those on the way.
Stand up.
You hot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hot.
Let's go.
I'll be good. I need something on my neck.
On your neck? Maybe. You want your Gryffindor?
A door?
Gryffindor?
Yeah.
All right, let's do an assessment. Socks get wet. Legs are dry.
Right.
All dry. I got snow in my boots. My boots are too short.
Please help.
Help seal you off there.
Dry.
Good
Not cold, not warm, I'm hot, I'm cold. What?
You're what?
I'm good.
All right, here we are going. It's snowing. Yeah, get away from the edge of the building. It's dripping water. Are you cold now? Are you cold yet?
No, it's not salty.
No, it's not salty. You thought it would be salty? No, it's just like rain. So this is actually rain mixed with snow. This is rain mixed with snow. So you can see the snowflakes, but it's also got raindrops coming down. So this is miserable weather. This would be terrible to stay out in and play. We would never play in this weather.
I can't do the snow angle here.
It's really deep.
Yeah.
Yep, just lay down and do your snow angel. Right where you're standing. Right where you're standing. Yep, you know how to do it.
I don't know.
You lay on your back. Yeah, you're gonna get wet.
I'm gonna get wet. Ready?
Go. Just lay down. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna mess it up. All right, spread your arms and legs. Yeah, there you go. Yay! All right, let's see what you did. Now don't mess it up on your way out. Stand up. Yeah. There you go. Touch only the parts.
Can you see it?
It's really hard, but there it is. There's snow angel. See the wings?
Yeah.
Yay. All right. I think we gotta go back in. This is.
We can't play.
No ball fighting. My mom said put vanilla in it and
Huh?
my mom said put vanilla in it and eat it.
Yeah, snow cones.
Yeah. You don't want to eat the first snow of the season because it gets all the pollutants from the air. Pollutants from the air. And then of course never eat yellow snow.
Because
That's dog pee.
there's no dog here.
Yeah, they walk their dogs up here.
It's already 10 inches.
Yeah, it's something significant like that. All right, let's go in. Yay. Head to toes. She stay dry?
I stay dry.
We'll see. We prepared her for it.
I'm very dry.
If we were gonna stay up here an hour, she'd be good. All right.
Yay. Dito? Ako. This way. Okay.
Stand by. Yep. You look good. Rolling whenever you're ready.
Ready. Wait.
Action.
Ouch.
Probably good.
I'm done. Stand up. Yeah.
Getting too old for this.
I'm too old for this. Yay!
Okay. Stop it, Cody.
That's my top.
It hurt when you fell on it?
It did not. It's very cushioned.
I was gonna say, kind of ruined the movie. But, oh, it hurt.